want a microphone that elevates your vocal performance? The Hayden BK-103 Dynamic Cardioid Vocal Microphone. This isn't just any microphone, it's a game changer. Crafted with a metal body, it's sturdy enough to handle your most passionate performances. Plus, it comes with a 5-meter XLR cable, giving you the freedom to move around the stage as you please. But it's not just about the build. The BK-103 features smart noise reduction, ensuring that your voice is heard clearly without any background disturbance. It's compatible with karaoke machines, speakers, and amplifiers, making it the perfect companion for your singing journey. And if you want a break between your performances, just flip the on-off switch. It's as simple as that. The Hayden BK-103 Dynamic Cardioid Vocal Microphone is more than just a microphone. It's your ticket to a stellar performance. Step into the spotlight with confidence, knowing your voice will be heard loud and clear. This is the Hayden BK-103. Performance perfected.